Mark.
Oh, you know what? They're Lark's babies. You have to be nice to her.
I know, she's pushing me.
Well, she's happy to see you. She wants a little attention.
Vito.
My goodness. Why are we all crying?
Vito, don't try and get out again.
Why are you crying?
Just gonna end up being hurt.
Talk to one of the ones that's crying, Parker.
Oh, you're crying. You're a good puppy.
Which one do you have, Gloria?
No.
Yeah.
No.
The shrimp aren't ready yet. I'll be right there. I just stirred it. I'll be right there.
Oh, look at you. Oh, you want to suck.
Now, don't let him suck on your finger.
Oh, look at you.
Okay, put him back. We should probably go in. I'll stir the shrimp again.
I can't